Hi guys, in this video we will be analyzing the signals coming out of our artificial intelligence based bot known as alpha signal generator. It gives out three types of signals, type 3, type 4, type 5, all of which are independent of each other and have to be traded with their own set of rules. In this video we will be trying to analyze whether our ASG bot was able to predict this kind of a price drop. For this we will be analyzing a type 5 signal for ETH USDT. So let's have a look. So this movement took place around 8:15 Indian Standard Time. Let's see, did our bot generate any kind of a signal at that time? So what we are looking at is for a Type 5 ETH USDT signal, because a Type 5 signal is a very rare signal and requires a lot of computation power to be generated, and they are not so frequent. So a Type 5 signal was generated 8:15 at 8:15:49 seconds. Let's mark it on the chart. Okay, at 248.4 levels. Let's see. So approximately this level. If we were unable to take a position at that level, and for instance you would have taken a position about $2 below this, generally we recommend our users to put in a limit order or a bracket order as soon as they receive a signal. So keeping the worst case scenario in mind, we couldn't get an entry at 248, but we got an entry at 246. And to close the type 5 signal, we need to make sure that we receive an opposite signal. As you can see in the description, for better returns, wait for opposite signal. That means a buy type 5 signal for ETH USDT. Until we don't receive a buy type 5 signal for ETH USDT, we shouldn't close this position. But of course, this depends on the user's risk appetite coming into play. Let's have a look at it. So did we receive a buy signal? So 8:15 June, scrolling through it, we receive a lot of type 5 signal. That means the market was very volatile at that time. So we received, did we receive anything here? Did we? I think so. We received something over here. Yeah, so we received the ETH USDT sell again. So depending on the amount of capital you have, you can also take another position at this level of 241. That would be another trade, keeping this in mind. But still we haven't closed any of our positions because we're still waiting for the buy. Let's see, have we got a buy? No, we haven't received a type 5 buy signal. That means this position is still open. That means the market is still bearish and it might go even further below. So keeping in mind these positions, so we took an open position at 248. Worst case scenario, we would have taken at 246, and then we would have also taken a position at 241. We will be still profitable on all trades. And right now, as you can see, this position is still open, and we're still waiting for an indication to come for a buy signal to close this position. So once we receive the buy signal, we will be closing these positions and at the same time also taking a new buy position. So for instance, if we've got two trades right now, we will be technically doing two trades to close this position and taking two new open buy positions and closing those positions once we receive the opposite signal. Keeping that in mind, I think so we've made a good amount of profit on this trade. So we've received about, say, we could have received a potential about $20 movement. But of course, the position is still open and we're still making about $10 movement. That's about 3 to 4% in a day, which isn't that too bad as well. Imagine doing a leverage of 100 times or maybe 50 times. That's a good amount of profit. Thank you for watching, guys. For more information, please log on to our website analytics.com and watch our other YouTube videos to know how to trade on different types of signals. Thank you.